And welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special, Women's Action Now, led by double strikes from Moesha McLaughlin and Chantal Bailey. Champions Waterhouse hammered Real Mona 8-0 at Drewsland as action resumed in the JFF Women's Premier League on Saturday. It was Bailey who opened the scoring in the first minute before McLaughlin got in on the action in the 21st minute. McLaughlin would find the back of the net again 10 minutes later. However, McLaughlin and Real Mona's captain Shadeen Rutherford would both leave their team with 10 players each as they were ejected in the 56th minute for fighting. Despite losing a player, the Zone A leaders, who went into the halftime break 4-0 ahead, kept up the pressure by scoring an equal number of goals in the second half, with Bailey getting her double in the 74th minute of play.
Of course, to get more chances, we could put away easily, but passing the ball straight to the keeper, that's not a good thing, and we have quality players, can come forth and give some good goals. Actually, we wanted Chantal Bailey to get the leading goal scorer. That's what we're going for. But I don't think she really wanted it as much as we wanting her to have it.
There's something about the mentality of our players, as you should know by now. It's the Meadowbrook football team playing in the Premier League as Real Mona, and Waterhouse is mostly made up of Excelsior players, and we have a mental difficulty when we go up against these teams. We started off very shaky, but the second half was much better from us, so it showed positives coming out of the match.
Meanwhile, home team Arnett Gardens left it late but came away 1-0 winners over Yowie in their Zone B encounter. This game was also not without its fair share of drama, as Arnett's player Tamara O'Sullivan and Yoe's Kayana Gordon got into an altercation in the 44th minute and were both shown red cards. It appeared the game was heading for a draw, but Sabrina Berry came up big with a strike in the 90th minute, to which national goalkeeper Chrisann Gordon had no answer.
Well, today's game was a grinder, a lot of obstacles, but we came through in the end. We got a lot of chances where we should have put them away. But it comes after us not playing for 2 weeks, 2 back-to-back games not played. So we were a bit rusty, but it was a overall team effort was wonderful, and they fight to the end and deservingly the winning.
It was an unfortunate game. We had some technical difficulties getting some players here, so we didn't get to start our A team today, but the team that went out there, they did their best, and I can't complain.
The results of the other matches played on the day will be carried in Primetime Sports Sunday.